Hey guys, Patrick Perfect here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Patrick Perfect Presents. I'll come here to this week market outlook video with me. Join me as I analyze the chart as I show you guys possible trades I'll be taking this week. Welcome to this video. Do well to give this video a like, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, do well to support me, man. I see the love this week, like it was massive. I had like 10 new subscribers and I want to use this opportunity to say a big thank you to all you guys watching me, all you guys supporting me. Kudos to you guys. Let's dive into the video. Hey guys, welcome to my screen. Alright, before we jump into our market outlook for this week, I want to quickly share something with you all. Alright, first I want to express my sincere gratitude to all of you watching me, supporting me. Right, it is so massive. I love you guys, and I wish you guys consistent profitability in this space. All right, now I do understand that a lot of you trade numerous pairs. You have numerous pairs on your watch list, and for me personally, I trade just 3 pairs, which are EURUSD, EURJPY and XAUUSD. And when I come on here weekly, I come to do like my outlook for just these 3 pairs which I trade. All right, so now I'm thinking like I want to include more pairs to my weekly market outlook videos. All right, so this is what I want to do. If you're watching this video and you're not yet subscribed to my Telegram channel, please click the link in the description of this video and it will bring you right here to my Telegram channel, Trade with Perfect. All right, I want to build my subscribers list to at least 100 subscribers, and then I'll go ahead to open a pool for you guys to suggest the pairs you trade, like your major pairs. So when I get to do like my market outlook, I will include these pairs in my outlook. By doing this, we get to like share trade ideas together. All right, and I also do open like a chat section on my channel. All right, I don't just close my channel, I open a chat session where you can share ideas to every weekend. All right, with that being said, let's dive into my chat and let's move on to see what we have cooking. All right, so this is my chart right here. This is EURUSD and this is our weekly time frame. All right, so for those of you that have been watching my previous market outlook video, you'd notice that we've been bullish on EURUSD, right? But prior to last week, I was bearish on EURUSD because of this impulse move that happened, and I'm like, this market needs to like pull back further before it continues the bullish momentum. All right, so with that knowledge, I was looking to take short sales on EURUSD. Okay, I'll be going down to my lower time frame and I'll show you guys where I took short sales opportunities from and what I'm looking forward this new week. All right, today's date is 18th of May and today is a Sunday. I'm recording this video on a Sunday. All right guys, so you guys will know that the market is even closed when I'm recording this video. All right, now what am I looking at for EURUSD this week? Now looking at, this is my weekly time frame. We can see this structure is still bullish. For a fact, this structure is still bullish, and my trading strategy is simply just market structure. All right, simple market structure, and then I include a few technical tools like Fibonacci, trend line, supply and demand to trade. That is all, very simple and straightforward. I don't complicate things. All right, so we did spot like this impulse move to the upside, right? And this market seemed like to be coming for a pullback. Okay, now if I do take out my Fibonacci tool and I draw my Fibonacci from this swing low right here to this swing high, you will notice that this market is trading around our 50% and 61.8% fib level. All right, so with this now, I want to build like a case study to what I'll be trading this week, so join me. So first, if I do draw my Fibonacci from this swing low to my swing high, price is trading around our 50% and 61.8% fib level. Alright, okay, now I'll be going down to my daily time frame and let's see what price is cooking right there. Now this is my weekly time frame. This is my weekly time frame. Follow me closely. Alright, so let's go down to my daily time frame. Now this is my daily time frame. For my weekly time frame, we did spot this place as our swing low and this is our swing high. But looking at our daily time frame, we can see the structure. We can see we have a high here, we have a low here, we have a higher high here, we have a higher low here, we do have a higher high here, we have a low, and eventually this market like shifted structure right here, and we can see a market structure shift happened here. And I was aware of this because I was kind of bearish for this guy to like pull back, give us a reasonable pullback before we start looking for more buys opportunity. Now, upon spotting this market structure shift happen on my daily time frame, I am still bearish on EURUSD. Okay, I do enter for a sell trade last week around Thursday thereabout, and the trade is currently running and it is in profit. This is the trade right here. But what am I doing this week? Okay, so first off, I'm still holding this sell trade. All right, I'll be holding this sell trade because this market haven't come like giving me a market structure shift, a bullish market structure shift to jump in for a buy yet. The structure that I'm seeing here is still bearish. As you can see, it is still bearish. This is a low, this is a lower high, this is a lower low, this is a lower high, this is a lower low, and we can see like a lower high right here. So I am shorting this guy back to 100% retracement, which is right here, let me map it out, which is right here. Okay, so I'm still holding my short trade to this 100% retracement right here. Now where I would be looking to take short trade is this. Let me go down to my 4-hourly time frame and show you guys this. All right, if you're not yet on this sell, you may want to wait for this pullback to happen, this pullback right here to happen. Maybe come back to this my entry or come back to this supply zone right here, and you may want to like look for short selling opportunity. Okay, but if this market gets to like break above this supply zone I have here, then I'll be changing my bias. I'll be looking to go long on EURUSD. Now we do have like a descending trend line on our 4-hourly time frame on EURUSD, as you can see here. Let me adjust this well so you guys can see this. And what's happening to my screen? All right, this is a descending trend line, as you can see. So for me now, if this market does not like continue selling to this downside, and this market like come and take out this supply zone and take out this descending trend line, then that is a good signal to start buying EURUSD. All right, and that will also signal a market structure shift. All right, then like you should know, man, you should know when that gets to happen. Okay, so this week you should be looking out to take more sales, more short sales on EURUSD. Now we are trading against the trend. Okay, like if you're a swing trader, like trading against the trend depends on the kind of trader you are. Okay, now for day traders, this is like the main trend, and for them selling these markets, they are not trading against the trend. All right, but for like swing traders that trade like bigger time frames, this is like trading against the trend. Okay, so depending on the kind of trader you are, for me, I day trade and I swing trade. Okay, but this setup is like a swing trade setup, so therefore this is like we're trading against the trend. Okay, so once price get to like 100% retracement, you should be looking to close your trade. Do not hold this trade like your short sells on EURUSD like very long if you are a swing trader. All right, so with that being said, EURUSD, I'm still bearish on this guy. As you can see, we even have like a head and shoulder right here, as you can see on my 4-hourly time frame, and we can see like the break of the neckline. We can see this is a retest, so most likely this guy will be dropping before we get to like see like buys for this guy. Okay, this is my outlook on EURUSD. Now let's go to EURJPY and let's quickly see what we have playing on EURJPY. Now this is EURJPY and this is my weekly time frame on EURJPY. You can see EURJPY is immense. Like, look at this price action on my weekly time frame. This thing is just so messy. So now, last week when we did spot like this massive rejection, this rejection right here happened on EURJPY, I was bullish on this guy, right? I thought this market was going to close like very bullish, and then we continue to the upside, but that didn't happen. This market like seemed like it is coming for a pullback. I see it as a pullback. Okay, so but the market will be the one to actually tell us if it is a pullback or trend. All right, so I am bullish on this guy because if you can see from our weekly time frame, you can see this structure is bullish, and then we came to this nasty range and we are just going up, coming down, going up, coming down, and we seem like to have broken this neckline right here, but we didn't. You can see we are pulling back, all right, to our demand zone below right there. And guys, sorry about that, and this is like a major concern, all right, because I was so much bullish on this guy, and with this rejection, this market, it seemed like it may want to change buyers. All right, well, let's go down to our daily time frame. Let's see if we can get any information to help us trade this week. Now this is my daily time frame on EURJPY, and as you can see from this immediate market structure we have here, this guy is still looking bullish, right? Why did I say this guy is still looking bullish? Now looking at this immediate structure, we can see this market gave us a high, gave us a low, gave us a higher high right here, gave us a low right here. This market did not break below previous low, so it still respected structure right here, and then it gave us a higher high that closed above this previous high. This is signaling to us that this structure is still bullish. All right, now this market is pulling back. Right now, if this market should pull back to this previous low, we are still bullish. All right, I am looking to take buyers opportunity on EURJPY on this demand zone right here. Okay, now why am I looking to take buyers on EURJPY? We do have like this ascending trend line on EURJPY on the daily time frame, as you can see right here. Let me draw it. This is an ascending trend line, as you can see right here, and as you can see, this is like a low that we have here. Price rejected, came, rejected, and now seem like it is coming for the third time, and most likely if price come here, it will most likely reject. Okay, so let's go to our 4-hourly time frame. Let's see how we can take advantage of that opportunity. Now this is my 4-hourly time frame. You can see this ascending trend line, right, and you can see this demand zone we have right here. If you've been following me, like my market outlook, we caught this buy, right, and when price came here, we caught this buy again. We caught this buy. It is right there on my Telegram channel. You can go check it out. Now price is pulling back massively, and most likely price may pull back to this zone right here, and we may want to start looking for buyers opportunity around this zone. Why? Because of this ascending trend line and this demand zone that we have right there. Okay, now I won't just be jumping in for a buy because price just came here. I'll wait to see like a market structure shift happen. Okay, guys, wait to see like a market structure shift happen right within or around this zone right here before you start jumping for buys. Okay, this market may just come play around here and then boom, it just starts selling. It is fine, okay, it is fine. But this week that we are in, that is just about to start, I'll be waiting to take buy trade on EURJPY from this level. If price did break below this level, then I'll be reanalyzing and changing my bias. Okay, so that is it for EURJPY. So let me quickly go on to XAUUSD, gold, as most of you know it to be. All right, sorry about that, guys. So if you've been trading gold for the longest, you would notice that gold have been in a massive uptrend. All right, but last week, like we can see this massive rejection on gold, like this massive sell on gold, and it's looking like we are changing our structure on gold. It looks like our bias is going to change on gold, and that is what I am looking at now. If you do understand our candlestick, you'd notice something right here. We do have like a change in market structure from a candlestick perspective. All right, now let me quickly chip that in. Let me explain that to you guys. Now this previous candle is a bullish candle. We can see this rejection, right? And then this candle that followed is a bearish candle, and this bearish candle closed below the low of this bullish candle. Now when this gets to happen, based off our candlestick, we regard it as a market structure shift, or we can just simply say the predominant candle, like they are predominant in the market. For this is the bears. We can see the bears are predominant in this market currently. So therefore, looking at this information I have on my weekly time frame, I'll simply be looking to take sales trade on XAUUSD. Now let me go down to my daily time frame and let's see if we can get any information to support our sell bias. All right, now we do have this high, we have this low, we have this swing high. You know, this is a swing low, we have this swing high, and price gave us this low and it failed to give us like a higher high. Okay, and upon spotting this, price failed to give us a higher high to continue this uptrend, and then it gave us like this low. Price broke below this previous low here and gave us a new lower low. Okay, so this is signaling to me like this guy is about to change trend temporarily. Okay, temporarily this guy is about to change trend, and this is like looking like a double top, as you can see here, and this is looking like a break of neckline. Okay, I cannot fully say right now because this is not fully fledged yet. Okay, so but going with this structure I am seeing right now on my daily time frame, this guy is looking bearish. Okay, now let's go over to my 4-hourly time frame and let's see what we have there. Now look at the structure on my 4-hourly time frame. Sorry about that, guys. Now we did have this high, we had this low, and look like we had a market structure shift happened here, as you guys can see. We have this market structure shift happened here, like on a swing level, because this shift actually happened here, and then on a swing level it happened here too, and this market went up. I took like a long trade here. I shared that trade right here on YouTube and on my Telegram channel. You can go check it out. Earlier last week I took a buy trade here, and this market like took me out, and after that market took me out, I said, guys, let's position to take sales on XAUUSD, and that is what is actually playing out. We can see the structure, like the structure is bearish. So for me, I'll be looking to take sales on XAUUSD. Okay, this will be my first level of entry. This level right here, let me map that out for you guys to see. All right, I'll be looking to take sales right here. Okay, now if this guy gets to like pull back, if this guy, let me map that like well so you guys can see. All right, so if XAUUSD gets to like pull back to this zone, I'll be taking short from there and then to the downside. All right, now I want this guy to like come to this zone. If this guy pull to this zone, I'll be shorting this guy from there. All right, but if this guy gets to like break above this previous high which we have here, then I'll be changing my bias. I'll be looking to like take buys on XAUUSD. All right guys, this is my market outlook for the week. All right, do well to like this video, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you're not yet on my Telegram channel, guys, do well to join my Telegram channel. Let's get to 100 subscribers, and then I'll open a pool where you guys can suggest currency pairs or index pairs, whatsoever pair you trade. Okay, so when this gets to happen, I'll come on here, I'll include it on my market outlook, and we get to share trade ideas together. Thank you guys for watching this video. My name is Patrick Perfect. Do have a profitable trading week.